Konnichiwa. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the U vowel sound. Campanas Japanese. Have you watched my intro video? If not, I recommend watching it. The link in the description. So, there are 3 points you might want to keep in mind when you practice pronouncing vowel sounds. Number 1, how wide you open your mouth. Number 2, where your tongue is placed inside your mouth. Number 3, whether you round your lips or not. So, about the first point. This vowel needs the slightest mouth opening in the Japanese vowels, as with the E vowel sound, which means your tongue comes close to the roof of the mouth. U. But, unlike E, the corners of your lips don't spread out. U. Next, about the second point. You raise the middle, back part of your tongue towards the soft palate. The soft palate is located right behind the hard palate. You'll easily find the soft palate if you slide your tongue along the roof of the mouth. As the name implies, the soft palate is soft compared to the hard palate. The tip of the tongue lightly touches the gum ridge below the lower teeth. U. Okay, the final point. You don't round your lips for this vowel. U. If you round your lips like this, U, it doesn't sound like the Japanese U sound. Look. U, 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 U. Maybe not that different, but try not to round your lips. In the Japanese vowels, you only round your lips when you pronounce the O Japanese vowel sound. And of course, as with the rest of the Japanese vowel sounds, your vocal cords here should be vibrating. U. Alright, let's practice the U vowel sound using some real words. Repeat with me. 上、上、牛、牛、歌、歌、腕、腕、馬、馬。One last thing. Both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters. So it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, I'll upload hiragana worksheets like this. So go to my Patreon page and download them for free. The link in the description. Alright, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。